Hey Henny, I just watched a movie. It was really cool. I love that app. But if you're looking to create something that looks pretty good without some of the subscription costs, I think you could set something up using Keynote. So I just tested it out and looked in here. I created this intro text and this typewriter text effect. And these are just little movies that I created inside of Keynote. So you can see there's that typewriter effect. There's a lot of other things that you can do with Keynote that are pretty cool. And I've got that same transition text here. The way that you could go about this is by going into the animate capability and doing a build in or a build out. I'm going to do compress. It looks a little different than what I already had. You see that nice little bounce. You can tune that stuff up and add more animations, whatever you're really looking for. When you've got it the way that you like it, you can tap done, and you could have a slide that was set up with graphics. You could have a slide that was set up with your intros or the different types of bumpers you want, and make it so that whether you're testing a battery or you're looking at different types of lenses or whatever, that text could be changed out each time depending on what you needed for your video. And then when you're done, you just go in here and hit export and movie, and you've got your different resolutions and frame rates. I'm just going to leave this alone. You can bump it up, higher frame rate, go out to 4K. You can change the before and after build slide timing, and just hit export. So this is going to create a video for me, and you can share that, and actually just share to LumaFusion does it for me. So this is going to bring in, and LumaFusion does a nice job of renaming that file. So I should have a 3 point or a 3-2. Perfect. I see it right there. So there's my file. You can see that effect is in there, and I'm just going to drag it in and do exactly as you just taught us. Go ahead and set this to screen. But before I do that, I'm just going to clip it, delete all that out, move this into where I want it. There we go. Perfect. And then we'll go in and get that screen effect going on. Boy, is that a cool effect. I didn't know about that. And now when we play, we got that compress, that little bit of bounce. And we could fade that out inside of LumaFusion or inside of Keynote. So if you're looking to save on that subscription, just a cool idea inside of Keynote.